Hi guys, this is Steph with homework for number 2. So the problem says, prove or disprove Z of G is abelian. So Z of G is the center of a group. So that's when A is a member of G if for all X is a member of G, AX equals XA. So basically, Z of G is the collection of elements A that commute with everything else in the group. So abelian just means that AB equals BA, right? So we're trying to prove if we have two elements of the center of a group that they must commute with each other, which makes sense because if you're in the center of a group, you commute with everything else in the group. So we're going to prove this. So first we're going to choose two elements in Z of G. Choose A as a member of Z of G and B is a member of Z of G. So by definition, since A is a member of Z of G, for all X is a member of G, AX equals XA. So since we know B is also in Z of G, we know that B must be a member of G. So we can choose X equals B. So up here we said AX has to equal XA for all X's in G. So if B is in G, we can say, oh, just let X equal B, which would imply that AB equals BA. Therefore, Z of G is abelian.